Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane out of a scratch paper. Any paper can be used. In this case, I will use the one from my school. Make sure that you are using the paper in front side. Then fold it like this. Likewise, do it in the other side. And then you should straighten it and then fold it in half. And then straighten it again, fold it like this. Okay? And then straighten it again and fold it like this. Make sure that it doesn't overlap. And then turn the back and then fold it in half. Then fold it like this. Turn the other side and do it again. And there you go, you have your paper airplane ready to fly anytime, anywhere.